Well, let's say you wanted your lawn mowed and you're trying to find somebody to mow your lawn. If you ask somebody who makes $10 an hour otherwise and doesn't have any other options, they're probably worth $10 an hour to mow your yard, unless they won't do it for less than 20, in which case they're worth 20 if you can't find anybody at 10. Same thing with a doctor. You can ask a doctor to mow your lawn, but if a doctor's used to making 200 grand a year and he's pulling, I don't know, 250 an hour, if a doctor's getting 250 an hour, then maybe he'll agree to mow your lawn, but if he does, he's going to want 250 an hour. He's not going to want to give up his time for less than what he is worth. So you guys as handymen, y'all are all out there with skills that other people need, that are very hard to find. And a lot of people are willing to pay $100 an hour for you to go do those jobs. So if somebody else wants you to do, let's say, moving boxes from the driveway to the shed in the backyard, if that's what they want you to do, they might look at you and say, that's unskilled labor, how can you charge so much for just moving boxes? The answer is, because there's other work out there I could be doing today instead of moving your boxes, and that other work pays $100 an hour. If you want me to give up that other work and not make that $100 an hour over there, you're going to need to replace it with $100 an hour over here. Pretty simple, I think.